How to log into your existing Pocket Broker account using the Pocket Broker application on your smartphone or tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to sign into your existing Pocket Broker account, let's say you are using a different device or you have logged out of your account recently and you want to get back to your Pocket Broker account, then the process is quite easy. First, launch open the Pocket Broker application on your device, and once you are inside the application's welcome screen, go ahead and click sign in at the bottom. In the sign in area, you'll need to enter your credentials. Remember how you've previously signed up for your account. If you've signed up with Facebook or Google, go ahead and choose the same option from the bottom. If you've signed up using email, go ahead and enter your correct email associated with Pocket Broker account in the first field at the top. Make sure to enter your correct email registered with your account, and on the next field, write down your correct password. Finally, click sign in. If you don't remember your password, you can recover your password by clicking this password recovery section and following through the instructions. If you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this little remember me box and finally click login. And you'll be logged into your Pocket Broker account in no time. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.